Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to add images to your stories or writings in the Medium platform. So now I want you to connect to your Medium web portal, and if you don't have already an account, just sign up with your Google or Facebook account, or you can just sign up with a new email. After you are connecting to your web portal, you will need to go to the right button or right platform or window so we can start our story. So the first thing that you need to do is to add a title, for example, how to add images to in medium, and for example this one will be step 1. Now, as you can see, we want to add image. To do so, we can see this plus sign when you are not writing a text. For example, here, when I'm not writing anything, it will show this plus sign in each line that you don't write something. So here, when you click on the add button, you will find the first option is an image. So you will need to click on add an image, and you will search for your images in your desktop and just click on it and open, and you will have your image that will be inserted here in your images, I mean your story. So here you can add some caption to your story. You can add the alt text, for example, uh, drawing, for example, save, and now we have our alt text that is saved for our image. You can add caption cap, for example. So basically now you have your images in your post or story. This is how we do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.